Hey guys, it's Beth, and today I am back with my project wrap-up for this fall and Halloween stack that I started as my June Kilopad project. And yes, it is September, so it's taken me 3 months, but look at what all I have made. And I am holding the camera by hand today, so I do apologize for any shakiness. I just wanted to be able to move around a little bit more. But if you have ever wondered what you can make with approximately 124 sheets of paper that might be left in a pad, I am here to let you know what's possible. So from this pad, I managed to get 13 12 by 12 scrapbook pages, 9 3 by 4 journaling cards, 4 hot cocoa pocket envelopes, 18 Halloween treat bags. I got 483 greeting cards, and they are all kind of crammed onto this table. I also got 4 mini note cards, 3 stacked reversible block sets, and there are a lot of blocks and signs that have already been sold or are still in the process of being made, so the number of them on the table may not jive with the totals I'm giving you. We got 4 of those Welcome Fall square blocks, 9 of these blocks with different colored pattern pumpkins, 10 little cube pumpkins, 6 little cube apple blocks, 4 fall, those little fall blocks, 7 of these Happy Halloween, Happy Fall Y'all letter block sets that are reversible, and then 4 of these little spooky and autumn reversible letter block sets. I got 6 of the 12 by 12 signs, 3 of those and 3 of those, 3 7 by 7 Oh My Gourd signs, and 3 of the 9 by 9 Happy Fall Y'all signs. I got 14 coasters, 2 trivets, 2 magnets that are hidden back there. I got a handful of some random fall blocks, and about 10 of these fall, they say fall on one side, Noel on the other. Got that version, and then that version. And I got this pumpkin garland, and then there are some scraps left that I am going to use to put in my planner as planner decorations for fall and Halloween. So yes, this project did take me several months, but look at what I got. I mean, and this pad has been sitting in my stash for several years, and look what was waiting to be made. So I hope that you guys have gotten some inspiration from this series, and I will have all the videos. They are linked in a playlist that will be at the end of this video as well as in the description. So hopefully it's provided you some inspiration and motivation to go back and use up those old paper pads to see what fun projects might be waiting for you. And I will be starting a new pad project soon, so we'll start the process all over again. But I thank you guys for your time today and for sticking with me through this long series. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Till next time.